Alright, what is on this kid? Oh, womp, chill. Oh, wow.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Drive and Parking. Okay? Hopefully I pass this along video. If I keep failing, it's probably because I'm really bad at this game. And I failed that first try, wow. Sort of distracting with the face cam on. Comment down below if I should use it or not. I should just let it record my voice instead. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to take it off because my parents don't want me to show my face on YouTube, so... Maybe when I'm old enough, when I'm 18, I'll start using Facecam. Right now, no. I'm too young. And I crashed, wow. Dang it. I want to pass this level. Finally, I got perfect. Are you kidding me? How's that too soon? If I did it too late, it would tell me I messed up. I don't get this freaking game. I like playing it, but like... Sometimes I hate when it's just like it's too soon. Oh, finally I passed it. Which car you guys think I'm gonna get? Comment down below. Oh! Okay, that's good. I like the car. So you just saw my garage so far in this game. With all the cars I have right now. So yeah. Just gonna upload this video today. I don't know if I should upload this on my main channel or my gaming channel. Comment down below, guys. Should I keep making this on my gaming channel or on my main channel? I feel like I should put it on my main channel, because that's where most of my viewers are. So after this, I have to edit the video. After I record it. Okay, that's good. I mean, it's common. So, I'm gonna buy this. I ask why, but like, this is an in-app purchase hack. So yeah, that's why I get these free. It's a rare wagon, okay. Oh my god, this is good. Thank you. Come on, hurry up. Hey, we know to have those cars. Yeah, stop. Go back to here. Nice. On the first try, I messed up. Dang it, I thought it was good. I'm playing with it. Let me play with it. I want to play with it for a little bit. What? I know. Sorry about that, guys. That was my dad talking to me. Hey, I'm rolling up. Okay. Look, I'm gonna get the poop. Oh, guess again. I'll probably make this just a 5-minute video. Plus, with the intro, it's like a 9-second intro, so it's like gonna be like 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Maybe if I just want to finish this level within a minute. Yay. Starts pretty fast, the buggy. How did I mess up right there? I was so in. I don't get this game. Why is it I messed up? Okay, that time you say I didn't mess up. What the fuck, man? Freaking kidding me? Hey, wait, I thought I was gonna beat that level. Come on. First try. Really? Dang, guys, I got the Watson ads, so... Well, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. I was just watching an ad. I don't want to get copyrighted, so... Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. And turn on post notifications. I might be uploading every Friday, maybe. If I get a chance by my parents. Okay, see you guys later. Have a nice day. Bye.